close your eyes, never stop and listen, never feel alive, and you're nothing missing. You don't need a reason, let the day go on and on. Let the rain fall down everywhere around you, give into it now, let the day surround you. You don't need a reason, let the rain go on and on.
Freedom. Unique. Family. Independence.
Expectation.
Natural. Friendship.
Competition.
Unforgettable.
Definitely I've met a lot of people from around the world. I have friends from the Philippines, from Italy, from South America, as well as Asia. And if I had stayed at home, I never would have met all those people, and I would have missed out on a lot.
The music program at St. Paul's is amazing. I've never experienced, or I've never, heard of or seen another school with such a great music program here. We have orchestra, chorus, band, madrigal singers, piano classes, guitar classes, and it's really amazing. I mean, I'm in choir and madrigals and Mad Headers, the all-female a cappella group on campus, and I spend so much time in the chapel singing, but it's so worth it because you just learn so much here. And for people who love to sing, but it's not, it's a hobby, more of a passion. Choir is great. You get to sing with like 60 other people. You do great songs. You have a good time. And then for if you're really passionate about it, you can try out madrigals, which is like the advanced choir. And then of course we offer lessons in literally all instruments, from violin and piano to bagpipes and organ, and it's just amazing. It's such a great program.
I think it's incredible. Definitely the class size. My smallest class, we were 4 students. My biggest were 12, I think. So that obviously encourages student-teacher relationships. It's inevitable. You can't hide in your class. You can't, or you shouldn't come to class unprepared, because you just can't follow the pace, which is incredibly fast. And also, outside of class, all the teachers are on campus, some of which live in your dorm. And so you're on a daily basis. You see them in and out of class, and you develop relationships very, very easily.
Just when you go outside on, a Wednesday or Saturday afternoon and you see people out at sports games supporting teams with their faces painted like white and red, it's really great. And when we have like night games for games, everybody goes out, the entire school body is present, just watching this game and supporting. Just like when you're walking around campus, you can tell, when sports teams do like team dress-up day, and they all wear the same thing, or they'll all wear a bow in their hair. Sports just really hold this community together.
It's crazy. There's always someone awake at odd hours of the time, but it's great because it's like a giant sleepover 24/7.
Dorm life is awesome. I've met so many people that I probably would never been friends with from being in a dorm with them, and it's just nice to be surrounded by fun girls all the time.
I really think it's awesome. I love how that head of house is like a parent. Like at our first dorm meeting, he said, you know, I have 30 daughters now, so I've got to watch out for all of you.
The Missionary Society runs all of the community service on campus, and we have probably 20 to 30 different programs you can do. Most of them working with people, and most of them are in the Concord area, which is really nice. I think one of the greatest things about Mish is it's a nice way to get a different perspective, because you sort of get caught up in the St. Paul's bubble here, and being able to get off campus and just be with the outside world for a little bit just keeps you really grounded. And
discipline. I think I'm more disciplined as a student and also as a being. This is a very flexible community, but you're definitely expected to do your work, to do everything you're expected to do.
Perspective. There's so many different environments that people live in. It gives a whole new perspective on life that you wouldn't normally have if you just stayed in your hometown.
The overall experience, everything's way better than back home, and I don't regret any of it.